we can see few more Python programs. Swap the first and last characters in a string without using any loop in Python. See, 2-line code. We are asking user to enter a string. And what we are doing here, if the user entered the string hello, we are swapping the characters. The first character is H and the last character is O. We are swapping those two characters and displaying. For that, what we are doing? Initially, what is to be displayed? The last character. To extract the last character, what can be used? str of -1. Plus, we are concatenating str of characters from beginning, not beginning, first index location to what? -1. Exclude the last character. So, the last character will be excluded. And what we have to display? In the last position, we have to display the first character. For that, we can use what? str of 0. So with just one print statement, we can swap the first and last characters in a string in Python. Again comes the power of slicing operator. For example, to demonstrate the use of set in Python. In the first statement, we have just declared a set. But see, there are many duplicate values. While displaying the set C, all the duplicates are avoided. That means when it is stored in memory, it eliminates all duplicates and storing. In the next statement, again we are declaring a set. Print set2 will display the content of set2. And what is done? Set3 equal to what? We are performing union operation of two sets, set2 and set. And print set3 will display the result of set3. That set3 contains result of union operation of two sets, set2 and set. And see, now the set is updated to set2. And what we get while printing set? An updated result. Next, what we are performing? Set intersection update of set2. We are performing intersection of two sets. And the updated result is again stored in what? Set variable. So the result, while printing set, we get the result what? The result of intersection, and here also the original set is updated. Now we are declaring two sets, set 4 and set 5. And what we are performing? Set 5 dot difference underscore update set 4. That is, we are performing a difference operation between two sets. Set 5 minus set 4 is performed and the updated result is stored in set 5. And we are displaying the contents of set 5. So the difference between these two sets is performed and the result is stored in set 5. And we are displaying this content. Already few examples have been covered in earlier lectures, but still doing few more. Program to print server name in an email ID. See the length of program and the power of Python. Here again we are using the concept of split function. So here we are asking the user to enter an email ID and the email ID entered is sam@gmail.com. And we know the server name here is Gmail. This part we have to display. For this first we are splitting the inputted string using the delimiter. And we know it will create a list which contains two elements. Sam is the first element at list of 0. The list of 1 contains gmail.com. Now what we are doing? Again we are creating another list. Again we are using the split function. We are splitting the list. Now we are splitting the list. We are splitting the list of 1. That is second element of the list is again splitted using the next delimiter. That is dot delimiter. Which again produce a list which contains two parts or two elements. Gmail is the first element and com is the second element. And what is to be displayed? Gmail is to be displayed, which is the first element of new list. So list 2 of 0 is displayed. So just by using a split operator, here we can display the server name entered in an email ID. The next program is to demonstrate the use of dictionary. Here I have declared a dictionary with key value pair name equal to Sam, height equal to 160. I'm just displaying the contents of dictionary. That is print dict will print the content of this dictionary. And what is done next? You are printing dict of height. That is, there is some key with name height. I am printing its value. Value is 160. It is displayed in the next print statement. Next print statement display the all keys in the dictionary. So keys are name and height. Next print statement prints all the values. Values are Sam and 160. And next statement again doing the same thing, print of dict. See now, dict of weight equal to 60. What does this do? This will again add a new key value pair to this dictionary. So while printing the dict again, we can see that one more key value pair appear, name, height, weight. Now del statement is used to delete a particular key value pair from dictionary. So what I'm deleting? I'm deleting some key value pair with key height. See the result, height equal to 160 is eliminated or deleted from the dictionary. This is a simple example showing the use of dictionary in Python. The next program is to display the occurrence of each character in a sentence. Here again user is asked to enter a sentence or text. Have entered a text welcome and asking to display the occurrence of each and W, how many number of times W occurred in that particular character or text. E occurred how many number of times? E occurred 2 times. Other all characters in the example has occurred just 1 time. That program is here. Here also user is asked to enter a string. Now counts initially we don't know. So here I am creating a dictionary, a blank or empty dictionary. Counts null. For word in str, traversing the string from first character to last character. Then I'm checking if each and every character is assigned to this dictionary or not. When the first character is encountered, that character will be added to the dictionary with its count 1. When second time the character is encountered in the string, this dictionary count will be updated to 2. So I'm checking if this character, particular character is there in the dictionary. The character is there in the dictionary. Its value part is updated. That is counts of word plus 1. Key is W, but the value part will be updated for each and every count. If it is not there, we are adding that particular key value pair to dictionary. Counts of word is assigned to 1. So there is a key and the value is assigned value 1. But here we are updating the value to plus 1. And once this for loop gets executed, each and every character in the inputted string will be traversed 1 and its count will be calculated and updated in the dictionary. At last what we are doing, we are traversing key value pairs in this particular dictionary and we are displaying the value of key and value of value. So that is how we got this output. Again showing the use of dictionary in Python. Next program, occurrence of each word in a sentence. Here also program length is very small. See, user is again asked to enter a text or a sentence, and from this again we are using the concept of dictionary here. Same method. Though we use character, but here we are using what? We are using words. For that, first what we have to do is we have to split the string so that we will get a list. In the previous example, we could use with the concept of string, but we are using here list concept. Here we are traversing each and every element in the list and we are looking if the element is already added to the dictionary. If the element is there in the dictionary, we can increment the count. If element is not found in the dictionary, what we have to do? We have to add a new key value pair. And once the for loop gets executed or its execution terminates, we are printing the dictionary. So we can print dictionary in an easy way like this. Here also we'll get something. hello is a key with value 1. Welcome is another key with value 2. We can see that 2 has been arrived twice in this enter text. So its count as 2. So this is another example showing the use of dictionary in Python. The concept used in this program and the previous program is same, but in the previous program what can we do is that we can traverse through the string since we are counting the occurrence of character in a particular sentence. But here we are looking for occurrence of a word in a sentence. Thank you for now.